In this Skillshare class, I invite you to join me to create a bold and beautiful hand-painted card using gouache paints. This is a fun and relaxing project with the aim of allowing you to enjoy the feel of the smooth paint on the page and revel in the boldest and brightest colours of gouache that you can find. I'm Sarah Douglas, a designer and illustrator based in Berkshire in the UK. For nearly 10 years, I've been designing and illustrating my own ranges of cute and contemporary papercraft and planner supplies, and I've been making handmade cards for even longer. As part of my creative practice, I love drawing and painting, and gouache is my current favourite medium. This class is suitable for beginners. You'll need some gouache paints, a brush, a palette, water, masking tape and a card to paint on. We'll sketch out a simple design of flowers and leaves and then paint it, adding small details at the end. This class is also suitable for intermediate and advanced painters who want something a little bit different to mix up their creative practice. By the end of the class, you'll have a beautiful hand-painted card ready to use for family or friends, or you can even make a series and sell them online or at craft markets. And you'll also have gained confidence using gouache paints, getting the consistency right, practicing finer brush strokes, and hopefully you'll also be feeling pretty blissed out from your half an hour of fun painting. Are you ready to start? Let's dive in.